Hi, Dave here for Corrigan Corporation with a simple 3-step summary of how to order your patented Ultramist produce misting system. Designed and manufactured right here in the United States, Corrigan's Ultramist system provides a thin, dew-like moisture barrier to produce, which helps maintain product integrity. Before selecting components and features, you'll need to determine the length of the misting run needed and the color. The strong Schedule 80 PVC mist bar is offered in black or white to match your display. In step 1, you'll select the water filtration. Corrigan typically offers 2 choices: pump pack filtration or the Hypersoft Series CRO 300 reverse osmosis system. The pump pack is suitable when water hardness is low. The standard 1-micron filtration removes sediment that could otherwise clog the nozzles and solenoids. The CRO 300 reverse osmosis is necessary when scale buildup on the cases is a concern. The CRO 300 removes minerals with a 99% rejection of dissolved solids and uses a unique membrane flush for longer service life. In addition, customized water filtration solutions are available. Corrigan offers a free water analysis and consultation to help you specify the optimal filtration system for your needs. See our website for more information. The second step is to select a misting controller. We offer 2 choices: an ACP controller and the Q Audio warning controller. Both feature no drip, instant on, instant off operation. The ACP is a simple timer control to turn misting on and off automatically. The Q Audio warning controller is ideal for audio marketing. Stereo sounds are provided by Corrigan, or you can download audio to the flashcard memory. You can easily change messages for sales, seasonal specials. It's as vast as your imagination. The final step is to select the Ultramist nozzle pattern. 4 different nozzle patterns accommodate different misting needs, including the low-flow hollow cone fogging nozzle, which conserves water and energy. Please see our Ultramist produce misting nozzle video for a more in-depth look at the nozzle selection and features. Because of the flexibility designed into the Ultramist system, an array of configurations are possible. And with nationwide installation and service, Corrigan is with you every step of the way. To learn more about Ultramist produce misting systems, view our additional videos, visit our website at corriganmist.com or give us a call at 800-462-6478. And to receive notifications of new videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.